Is it time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 17th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th day of January in the year 2025, our system has identified Netflix as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.85. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 2.44%. This equates to an average return of 0.41% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which may signify a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $835.55 is breached, it will initially indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 17.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 14.06% to 35.65%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points towards a projected change of 53.70% over the next year, with a possible return between 34.75% and 73.55%. In terms of price, this corresponds to a range of $1,156.32 to $1,489.27 after a year. Our latest daily update for Netflix includes the headline, Netflix stock price up 1.87% on Friday. The Netflix stock price gained 1.87% on the last trading day, which was Friday, January 17th, 2025. It rose from $842.37 to $858.10. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.50%, with a day low at $852.23 and a day high of $865. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.23% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 68,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.04 billion. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $941.75, while the lowest was $476.06. Currently, the price is 8.88%, or $83.65, below the 52-week high of $941.75, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Netflix is set to release its fourth quarter earnings on the 21st of January, 2025, with expectations for $10.1 billion in revenue and an earnings per share of $4.20. Analysts anticipate strong growth prospects, supported by original content that enhances user loyalty. Notably, Netflix's original series, like Squid Game, showcase its ability to drive subscriber numbers and revenue through merchandising, advertising income, and potential live events. In the backdrop, AMC Networks, which has secured a licensing deal with Netflix, is seeing improved performance, suggesting a beneficial partnership that could enhance Netflix's content lineup. However, investors must also navigate challenges, including high production costs and increased competition in the streaming sector. Market sentiment is cautious but optimistic, as many analysts recommend holding or buying Netflix shares ahead of the earnings report, anticipating a solid quarter. Calls for a potential stock split and expected price increases in the coming year indicate a strong push for market maneuverability and expansion. In the short term, the earnings report could trigger stock price volatility, particularly if results surpass or fall short of expectations. Long-term, Netflix's content strategy and growth avenues position it favorably in the competitive streaming landscape, though risks remain that could impact profitability. Investors will be closely watching how Netflix executes its strategy in 2025. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned NFLX a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler rated NFLX as overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, Barclays assigned NFLX a underweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Benchmark gave NFLX a sell grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024, KeyBank rated NFLX as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Netflix stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Netflix. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The Netflix stock currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall bearish outlook for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $893.65. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $847.16. A breakout above the long-term average will generate an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and heighten the overall bearish indication. A sell signal was activated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 11th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 8.38%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal, noted 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal, recorded 4 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal, observed 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a sell signal, identified 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal, was indicated 10 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average, a sell signal, noted 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, observed 113 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix finds support from accumulated volume at $837.69. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $12.77 between its high and low points, representing a movement of 1.50%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Netflix, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 21st of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $4.21. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Netflix. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Netflix is at $865.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, On the downside, Netflix encounters its first support level at 837.69. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of January, 2025, Newman Spencer Adam made an insider purchase of 7,024 shares of common stock. On the same day, Newman Spencer Adam also conducted an insider sale of 3,333 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January 2025, Hastings Reed made an insider purchase of 468 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hastings Reed conducted an insider sale of 233 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January 2025, Peters Gregory K. made an insider purchase of 20,740 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.467. Overall, insiders purchased 146,588 shares and sold 207,070 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Netflix stock a good buy? The Netflix stock presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Netflix will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 21st of January, we expect Netflix to open up 34 cents and begin trading at $858.44. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.